Get on that Pear Deck. Get on the Pear Deck. Start working that thing. Let's see who's on the Pear Deck. Okay. This review is going to totally help you for the test. All right. So I suggest you pay attention for the final. The final is on Thursday. Thursday's our final. Thursday. That's what I'm talking about. Now, tomorrow is your last day to turn in anything late. So if you have...
I don't know. Yeah.
Thursday's the last day. No, tomorrow's the last day to turn in. You can make up tests. You can turn in late assignments. If your grade is down, you can do it. You have 1 day to do it. 1 day to bring your grade up. Okay? I'm going to talk to some of you after class too, just so you know. So you can just know what boat you're in. And, you know, let's take a look.
Mr. Sanchez?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, can you repeat what you said? My computer went in and out.
I said, tomorrow's the last day to turn in late work or remake tests. Tomorrow's the last day.
Okay,
After that, no, just for my class, Quinlan. Why tomorrow? Because I need to get my grades together so I can be ready for finals. I can't keep doing late stuff. So I've given you guys lots of opportunities. But tomorrow's the last day you can do it. You can do it today, get it done tonight. You have all day tomorrow, and boom, that's it. Anything. Does that explain it, Noel? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right.
Do you get full credit?
Yeah, I'll give it to you, man. I'll give you full credit.
Hey, Mr. Sanchez. I don't mean to interrupt, but can I be excused from today's class?
I'll just mark you absent.
Just have your
parent. I'll mark you absent. Just have your parents call in to explain why you're absent to the school.
It's because I'm gonna be in a car ride for about an hour, and there's gonna be no Wi-Fi. So.
Okay. Just have your parents call in and explain what the absence is. It's fine.
All right.
So.
Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. All righty. Okay. All right. Let's take Rolly Roll. Actually, let's get on the Pear Deck while you guys do the Pear Deck. Okay, I got 19 of you in. Remember, this thing, I'm telling you, this is going to help you for the final. Go ahead and solve for that. D minus 7 equals negative 18. D minus 7 equals negative 18. We'll do some of these easier ones first. Can you guys see it there? Actually, I wasn't looking at the right class. I got to look at the right class here. Oh.
Could you resend the Pear Deck again, Mr. Sanchez?
I absolutely will. Here it comes. In 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Who's? Let's see. Let's take a look. Let's see what you guys are getting here. You guys should have an answer on that by now. I'm moving on. I'm not going to go too slow on this. So you're either in or you're out. If you have questions, let me know, all right? If you're not doing it, that's your problem, not mine. Well, you guys are high school students. Negative 11, that is correct. Negative 11, that's correct. Negative 11. Negative 11, negative 11. Actually, yes. Negative 11 is correct. Correctamundo. The reflex. And this is what we're going to be doing tomorrow. Remember, tomorrow is an in-class day. So those of you who are able to make it, and if it's your day, you should come. Although Quinlan, I think you came on the wrong day. Or maybe, I don't know. My role says that you're on a different day. I mean, maybe you can just sneak in if you want. I don't know how it works. But maybe you didn't
How
sneak in.
long is gonna be the test for finals?
What's that?
How long's gonna be the test
Mine's
for
30
finals?
questions. Mine's 30 questions. A
Are we
little under.
timed?
You have 2 hours to do it. You'll have plenty of time, Noel. You'll probably finish in an hour. If you're really working hard and doing every single problem, you'll finish in about an hour. You'll be done for sure within an hour and 30 minutes. Some people finish in 5 minutes because they'll guess everything, you know. Hey, Noel, turn your camera on, please. Okay. I'll show you how to do this one really quick. Why is my visualizer? Another AP. Let's try this again. It is connected. Technical difficulties. Why is my camera not working? It's connected. Thank you so much. Finally, geez Louise. Technical difficulties. Let's autofocus that bad boy. Let's autofocus it. Okay, where's the problem? Wait a minute. Oh, now did it shut my camera off? Octavio, can you see me? Or is it?
No, I can't see you, teach.
Okay.
I like your cut.
Thanks, man. I just got a fresh one.
Sorry, that was my little cousin.
Oh no, you said you liked my haircut, right? Let's take it. I take that as a compliment, Natalia. Tell him thanks. If he was referring, hopefully he was talking about my haircut. I don't know. I was assuming that. Okay. All right, here we go. So we have here D minus 7 equals negative 18. I haven't taken roll yet on purpose, so I will still take roll. Whoa, upside down. There we go. Okay, so what do? If you're minus 7, you add 7. Because some of you are going to get this. Remember, the different signs, even though I'm adding, we subtract them. 18 minus 7 is 11, but I have more negative, so it's negative 11. That's it. That's all you got to do. Any questions? All right, moving on. So the next one's okay, go ahead and solve that one now. Solve that one. We won't spend too much time because these are the easier ones. Am I presenting? I am presenting. See how you guys are doing. See who is not answering. I'm gonna check to see who is not answering. Okay. All right, really quickly. Here we go. Wait, oh no, I'm not presenting now. Let me present. I'm just gonna show you the answer real quick because we're gonna move on and see what you guys. I saw what you guys got. That was amazing. These are the easier. These are the one-steppers, right? So I have negative 20. So I'm going to add 20. Add 20. Negative. Now look, different signs. So we subtract, right? And I have more positive. 19 minus 20 is 1. I have more positive, so it's positive 1, and S equals positive 1. That's all you got to do. Remember, different signs, we subtract, and you take what you have more of. Whatever you take more of, more of. Okay, next one, Pear Deck. Okay, now we have a couple steps here. So go ahead and try to do that one. I'm going to take roll while you guys are working on this one. This will be a good rolly roll. Wait, cancel. Sorry. Did not want to leave that site. Okay, let's see here. I gotta do my grades. Elias Arroyo. Crystal Ian Pitacal. Rosa Balderas. Antonio Cervantes.
Here.
Edith Che Borges.
Here.
Sherlyn Coronado. Naomi Cortez.
Here.
Abigail Gonzalez Villegas.
Here.
Luis Gonzalez.
Here.
Octavio Guerra.
Hello.
David
Here.
Guzman.
Here.
Alberto Juarez Arenas.
Here.
Angelina Liu.
Here.
Crystal Magallanes.
Here.
Daniel Mejia. Edgar Mejia.
Here.
Here.
Leilani Mendoza.
Here.
Jose Mina. Noel Munoz. Elias Ortega.
Here.
Angelina Rodriguez.
Here.
Austin Rodriguez. Nicholas Rodriguez.
Here.
Olivia Sandoval.
Here.
Rosie Sorato. Evan Solis. Italia Solorio. Leitali Tuatama. Andy Tumamate.
Here.
Quinlan Wilson. Leilani Zavala.
Here.
All right. A lot of people absent. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and solve this one, and I'll come back to my rolly roll, double check it. Where'd it go? Okay, W plus 3. Let's see what you guys got, actually. W plus 3 divided by 3 equals negative 4. Okay. Let's see what you guys got. Okay. All right. Nice. The answer is negative 15. The answer is negative 15. Okay. So I saw a couple of you get oh, is my camera going? Antonio, can you see my camera now, or can you see my face, or no?
I can see your face now.
All right. I don't know why my camera shut off. Half of you I can't see. Maybe my Wi-Fi is bad. I don't know. Let me know. Let me know if you can't see this. Okay, so I'm presenting here. So here, let's draw the line. I'm going to draw the lines here, though. You have a 3 and a 3. Okay, so the 3 is like the loser, right? He's the furthest away from the W. So you get rid of this guy first. He's dividing by W. So instead of dividing, you do the opposite. You multiply by. Do this with me if you didn't do this. Now, negative 4 times positive 3. So you cancel those out. Right? Make sure you understand what I'm doing. Are there any questions on these steps? W plus 3 equals negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. Now I'm adding 3 because this went away, so it's just the W plus 3. So I'm going to subtract 3. I'm going to say W equals negative 12 minus 3. Now notice, even though it's subtraction, they are the same sign. So we add, and it's going to be negative when you add, right? Negative plus a negative makes more negatives. Negative 15. Add 12 plus 3 is 15. And the negative plus a negative is a negative 15. Now in the multiple choice, they'll probably have a positive 15 as your answer if you mess up on that. You know what I mean? They're going to trick you. Are there any questions?
Wait, so we multiply first on that?
Yeah, because the 3 is dividing. And you can't subtract 3 because this is all in the way, right? So you got to get rid of this 3 first. So multiply by 3, dividing by 3, multiply by 3. So yeah, hopefully that helps. Any other questions? Okay, moving on. Next one. Where are you, Paradeki? Okay, go ahead and solve this one. I'm gonna finish roll. Listen to roll if you be ready to say your name. If I called your name in roll, okay? If you were absent. Here's who I have absent. Elias Arroyo, Crisayan Patacal, Sherlyn Coronado, Jose Mina, Noel Munoz, Austin Rodriguez, Olivia Sandoval, Rosie Sorato, Devin Solis, Italia Solorio, Leatali Tuatama, Andy Tumamate. Elias Arroyo, are you here? Crystal Ayapatakal, Sherlyn Coronado, Jose Mina, Noel Munoz,
Here.
Austin Rodriguez,
Here. Here.
Olivia Sandoval,
Here.
Rosie Sorato,
Here.
Devin Solis,
Here.
Natalia Solorio, Leatali Tuatama, Andy Tumamate.
Here.
Okay, here's of absent again. Here we go. Let's try one. Whoa, what just happened? Okay. Did that mess up? I think my Elias Arroyo, Chris Ayapatakal, Sherlyn Coronado, and Jose Mina. Elias Arroyo, Chris Ayapatakal, Sherlyn Coronado, Jose Mina, and Leatali Tuatama. One more time. Elias Arroyo, Chris Ayapatakal, Sherlyn Coronado, Jose Mina, and Leatali Tuatama. Are any of those people here? All righty then. Okay, let's take a look at this problem you guys are working on. 9 out of 23 responses. Rosie Serrato, did I mark you absent?
I don't think so.
Okay. I'm double checking. No, I got you here. Sorry, my memory just goes quick. Okay. Now remember, you want to eliminate the stuff on the outside first. Remember we talked about how the loser of the party is the one on the outside, the 3. You want to eliminate the 3. Okay, so I don't think I'm presenting. Am I not presenting? Okay. So here, like, I'm trying to solve for y. The furthest way is the 3. Then we get rid of the 2. Then the -5. So the 3, you can distribute the 3. But the 3, when the 3 is next to the parentheses, there's nothing between. What's the 3 doing to all of that stuff? Like, what is this 3 at? Is it adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing to everything inside the parentheses? What is it doing there? Let's go with,
Isn't it multiplying?
yes, Noel, very good. It's multiplying. So I divide by 3. So opposite, thank you, Noel. So I divide by 3. Now, because of that, those cancel out because 3 over 3 is 1. And then I say -5y plus 2 equals 21 divided by 3 is 7. Okay, what number do I get rid of next? Let's go with Alberto. What do I get rid of next? Alberto! Alberto, are you there? Where's Alberto? We're trying to get through this class, Alberto. Okay, now I gotta pause to make sure Alberto's okay. Alberto! Did you even respond in the chat? No. Alberto, are you skipping class? I'm gonna mark you absent in 5, 4,
Yeah.
3. Alberto, are you there?
Yeah.
What took you so long to respond?
What happened?
What do you mean what happened? Why do you say what happened? You really want to know what happened? I'll tell you what happened, Alberto. I called on you and you didn't answer. That's what happened.
You're lagging.
Whoa, that's offensive, man. Why are you calling me a lagger? I work hard every day. I get up early in the morning. I brush my teeth. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Why'd you call me a lagger?
No, like you're like moving slow.
I know, I'm just joking. I'm giving you a hard time. Alberto.
Yeah.
Okay, ready. What do you do next on this problem? Now I got to present. We got to pause the class because I'm a lagger. Alberto, don't mute. I saw you mute. Alberto, okay. I got to stop again because I'm trying to talk to you, Alberto. Now we're paused. Okay, we're pausing for Alberto. Alberto, I got to stop presenting to make sure you're here. Alberto.
Yes.
Okay, I'm presenting. Don't mute when I'm talking to you. I'm having a conversation.
Okay.
Okay, so I asked you a question. What do I do next? Can I present now or are you going to mute on me?
You're not presenting.
I know. Can I present or are you going to mute on me?
You can present.
All right, here we go. Alberto, what do I do next for this problem here? Alberto, can you hear me or am I lagging?
You're like lagging a little bit.
Yeah, but I can hear your dog fine. Did you hear what I asked you?
Yeah.
What did I ask you?
What do you do next?
Yes, very good. Do you not know?
No.
Okay, dude. I have a -5 and a 2. I need to solve for y. Which number do I get rid of first, do you think? The 2 or the -5?
The -5?
The 2, because it's furthest away. And it's adding 2. So how do I get rid of the 2? What do I do? If I'm adding 2, what do I do? Am I lagging still?
No.
Okay, if I'm adding, what's the opposite of adding? You got to do the opposite.
Subtract.
You subtract 2 on both sides. Okay? Stay focused on this, okay?
Okay.
This is important. This is on your test, dude.
Okay.
So this goes away. And then, so this goes away, bring the -5 down. What's the last thing that I do here? Okay, you guys, make sure you answer quick so we can get out of here. Andy, to my mate, what do I do next year?
Honestly, I'm gonna be fair with you. I wasn't paying attention. I was doing something for another class.
Andy said divide by -5.
Sorry.
Okay, so y equals -1. There we go. I'm moving on. Any questions? Okay, let's do the next one. Dude, guys, this is for your final. I'm telling you, this is going to help you out. Okay, y equals -1. Okay, which graph is a function? Okay, which one of these is a function here? You got to tell me which one is a function.
D.
I want to say D.
Yeah, D is a function. Good. Thank you for answering. So because if it goes through, like if I drew a line through here, it goes through twice. It's not a function. This should be a function too, but make sure you answer D when you see it. This, like, because it's a straight up and down, it is not a function. Okay, moving on. Is this a linear function? Why or why not? Okay, so you got to know if this is a linear function. Do you guys remember what a linear function looks like?
No.
Let's see. Is it linear? Let's see what you guys say. Let's go with this. Let's do this. Watch this. I'll do a poll. Is it linear? Is that function linear? So if you think yes, I can't tell who's saying what, so you just guess, man. No, if you know, okay? There you go. Is it linear? There it is. I'm launching it. Boom. What do you think? Is that linear? Right there. Is that linear? And you have to know why, and I'll tell you why in just a second. All right, let's see what you guys have. I'm presenting so you can see my answers. Yes, no, mostly people are saying yes. The answer is yes. You know why? You know why this is linear? Because it just has an x. There's no x squared. It's not divided by x. X is in the numerator. It is linear. As long as there's just one x, it's linear. If it's x squared, nope. If it's x times x, nope. Are there any questions on that?
Like the X could be anywhere or just behind the 3?
Sure, yeah, it can be anywhere. So like it could be like it has to be mostly in this form. Y equals mx plus b. That was, let me write down, y equals 7 minus 3x. Now this is in that form. But I just switched, like here's the mx and here's the b. I just switched them. They just switched. It's fine. You could switch those. As long as they're in x, like this is this is linear. Y equals 2x. That's linear because it just has an x. Y equals x. Now I can go like this. Y equals 2x plus 5x. Is that linear? I have two x's. Well, can I add them? Yes, I can. 2x plus 5x is 7x, and so that is still linear because this becomes that. Here's not linear. Not linear. Y equals x squared. That's not linear. That's a parabola, remember? Y equals x cubed. Y equals 3x times x plus 1. This is not linear because it's 3x times x. Do you know what that becomes? Using the distributive property, becomes 3x squared plus 3x. Oh, it's not linear anymore because I have the x squared. Right? If you're multiplying the x's, it's not. If you're adding them, they are. And then finally, the last one, y equals 2 over x. That's not linear. Okay? Or y equals square root of x. Nope, that's not linear. It just has to have one x. One x in the numerator. All right? Any questions? Here, I'll go. I'm going fast. Are there any questions?
No.
All right. Anyone else? Okay, list the domain of this function. Let's see how far we're at. You guys list the domain. Look at that on your pair deck. I don't need to see where I need to check something here. List the domain. Do you guys remember what the domain is even? You're probably saying, what the heck is the domain? Some of you must know what the domain is because I taught you about the domain. What is the domain? What is domain? What is domain? Oh, 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 oh. Bum, 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 bum. Uh-oh. Blow up time. Okay, that is correct, actually. Am I presenting? Oh, I'm not presenting.
O-T-E-L.
Okay. Actually, you know what? Let me look at how this is. Let me look at see how it's going to be asked on the test. So let's go like this. So you guys know what form. I need to show you the right form. Give me a second here. Hang on, I'm looking for that question. I haven't forgotten about you guys. Oh, there it is. Okay. It's not that big a deal. Okay, I got it. Okay, so let me present for you guys, and then we'll do one more, then we'll be done. Some of you I need to talk to after class. Okay, so yes, this is right. Between negative, see the domain goes, you see where it starts at x, goes from -4 to 2. So that's the domain. The domain is the x's, right? So I go from -4 all the way to 2, and that's the domain. It starts here, which is -4, and it ends here at +2. So -4, 2. Between -4 and 2, you were right there. You just had the numbers in the wrong order. So remember, it's multiple choice between -4, and the way it's worded is say between -4 and 2. -3. How did you get that? I'm not sure how this got -3 and -4. Oh, I don't know how you got that one. It's okay. I'm just trying to figure out how you got that. As long as you know it's between -4 and 2. It's okay to have wrong answers. This is a great way to write it. Okay. Perfect. Okay, let's do one more. Oh, I wanted to show you guys something. I wrote the question wrong on this one. That's why which graph is a linear function? Because this is a function. Which one's a linear function? This is the linear function. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, find the value of x so the function has a given value. Okay, so now this seems weird. Oh, you guys already, let me, wait. Oh, that's the answer. Okay, so let me show you this, and this is the last one I'm going to do with you guys, and we'll continue tomorrow. Remember, some of you are coming into class tomorrow. Come, it's great. I'm telling you one thing, if you go to class, it'll make you feel like you have a better spring break. They're distancing. If you're cautious, it seems they're being pretty cautious there. Okay, find the value of x so that the function has the given value. Okay, so what the heck does that mean? Notice how this is n of x equals 17. I'm going to write it right here. Make sure you write it down. Write it down like this. All this is saying, find the value of x so that this has the given value. Notice that this is n of x equal to 17, and here's my n of x. What they want you to do is take the 17 and plug it in there. So you rewrite this as 17 equals 2x plus 7. And then you just solve for x. That's all they want you to do. Okay? So take a look at that. Make sure you understand. Are there any questions on what I'm doing there before I solve it? So then, right, we solve for x. Which one do we get rid of first? Alberto, are you on? Alberto, you paying attention?
Yes.
Hey, okay, dude, which number do you think I get rid of first here? 2x or 7?
7.
Alberto,
Yes.
am I lagging?
No.
Which number do I get rid of? The 7 or the 2? You have 50-50 chance.
7.
Yeah, because it's furthest away from the x, and it's adding 7, so I subtract 7 on both sides. 17 minus 7 is 10. And then we divide by 2, and 5 equals x, or x equals 5. And that's all you got to do. So, but the hardest thing about this is you got to know that you got to want to plug that 17 there, okay, to solve for it.
Okay.
All right, Alberto, you didn't mute. Very good. Thank you so much. You're amazing. Are there any questions on this? All right. Stopping presenting. I need to talk to. Here's who I need to talk to after class. Maybe watch video. I'm gonna play the video, and I'm gonna upload the video for you guys to see. Okay, if you guys now trust me, you guys want to study this stuff. Trust me. Okay, these people need to talk to me after class. Jose Mina, Crisaya Patacal, Elias Arroyo, Elias Ortega, Sherlyn Coronado, Rosie Serato, Quinlan Wilson, Abigail Gonzalez, Alberto Juarez, Leitali Tuatama, Leilani Zavala, Luis Gonzalez, Naomi Cortez, Rosa Balderas. Okay? You all need to see me after class. Are there any questions before I dismiss you? You've been a great audience. You can go. I love you guys. I love you so much. You guys are just amazing. Bye, Andy. Bye, Angelina. Bye, Crystal. Bye, Antonio. Bye, Leilani Mendoza. Bye, Olivia. Bye, Nicholas. Bye, Octavio.
Are you gonna check Delta Math when you grade again?
Did you have one up there that you did? Like,
well,
what are you talking about?
Because I had like 10 more to do, and it showed that I had a 49%, but then I ended up
For which one? I
finishing
have
everything.
several. I have like 3 Delta Math assignments.
Well, what grades do you have for all of them? Are they all 40?
Well, I don't know.
Sure
Do you want me to look
Pretty
at it
sure
real
it's
quick?
one dot. Yeah.